Hi, I want to talk to you for just a minute about reflections. A reflection session is a wonderful way to get some clarity about what you really want in your life. You can go through this process of identifying an intention. Well, that process alone will help you get some clarity. Once you set the intention, you go through a few other steps in this process to begin to identify things in your past that might have gotten in your way, that might have prevented you from reaching that particular goal or that intention, and also what kinds of attributes of mastery you would like to bring in to that intention to help you be successful in reaching it or in reaching that goal. And then we also mix in a little bit of energy work to help clear the energy and shift the energy so that you are in a place to be successful. This was a work that was originally created by Peggy Phoenix Dubrow as part of the EMF balancing technique. However, it is not necessary to know anything about EMF balancing. It's also a work that integrates nicely with the Akashic Record work. So if you've been familiar with that, this is another tool that's wonderful to add into your practice. It's just one more thing you can do with clients. But again, it's not necessary to know anything about Akashic Records and be able to use reflections. You can use reflections for yourself, or you can use it for your family and friends as well. So it's a powerful, powerful tool that you can add into your personal toolbox or your professional toolbox. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.